Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. As always, comment down below anything specific that you are looking for. I am always on the lookout for new work from home jobs, and give this video a thumbs up like if it ends up being helpful to you. That gives me feedback that I am bringing job leads that are helpful, but we will keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point. So let's just dive on in. The company Hack the Box is hiring a technical customer support to work remotely. The cool thing about this is they are hiring worldwide. I know a lot of my international subscribers are looking for customer service, and this would be the position for you. Now, Hack the Box's mission is to create a safe cyber internet world by making cybersecurity training fun and accessible to everyone. And so they are looking for a technical customer support who would be responsible for incoming requests from the customer user base, mainly from private individuals, forwarding requests to relevant parties internally for solutions, and providing additional checks, updating relevant stakeholders on a daily basis on the progress of the technical issues. Your day-to-day duties would be to perform on a dedicated support platform, being assigned cases as they come in, and depending on your workload, team members need to be available during certain key times of the day, depending on your time zones and accommodations. Now, they do have some specific time zones that they would like you to be available for, because they're looking for customer support needs in certain regions of the world. So a little bit more about Hack the Box. They are an online platform that allows their users to test, train, and enhance their penetration testing skills, as well as exchange ideas and methodologies. So these are people trying to make sure their stuff is top-notch for cybersecurity. Now, a few requirements are that you know platforms and products offered by Hack the Box, that you have troubleshooting skills and patience. They do want someone who has a little bit of experience with networks or network engineering. They want someone who's highly organized, motivated, and has a passion for helping and teaching. Someone who has strong analytical skills. You need to be proficient in English and have strong written and verbal communication skills. But this does not require any type of education or degree if you have these skills and experience. They do have a few additional preferred qualifications, such as knowledge of customer service and experience in web applications. Now, this job does come with benefits. Some of the things they offer is paid time off. You will get a dedicated budget for training and professional development, and it says state-of-the-art equipment, so it does look like they provide all equipment for you. It says they provide flexibility in working hours, and they also provide online well-being classes. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.